After 2 minutes, we starting to continue fixing the window. I hope I will not break it. So you have to install this thing right on the top. I'm just sitting on my hood of my car, so I just put it right on the top of it. So let me show it to you. So you see right on top. Now there comes in 2 pieces like this, so I have to remove this one and smoothly screws this one into it. Just feeling some pressure, so just be sure these ones are really good. And when you feel it's like already not really going to anywhere, so it's stuck there, that's perfect. But don't push it too hard. So after, I'm using this resin, so you have to I didn't open it yet, so I need to use the razor or something around, or just like this. So you see, I open it. So now you need to apply around 3 drops, for 2 to 5 drops. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I did more. Actually, I didn't have to because I don't have really big chip. So now I have to install this one to release the air and start screws it, but yeah, it's going really slow, and I feel some pressure. You're just going to screw it all the way there. See if you don't have any leaks. So I already all the way there. So oops, I moved it. You see guys, the bottom part, I don't think that's a good sign, but I'm just going to leave it. So let's see from inside how it's going to look like. So here it is. So it's like this. From inside it looks like this. So let's see how it works. It says we need to wait for around 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Actually, you can see right now the quality I already can see. So the chip, the main one, already is not really visible. The other 2 lines from the chip, they went on 2 sides, but they're not fixed yet. I think we are going to fix it later, but let's wait for 5-10 minutes, actually for 5-6 minutes.